Hi, Mama. I had a scare. A smaller bunny. I found its body in my backyard, and looks like bobcat scat next to it, or some type of predator scat. And I was so scared because I couldn't tell if it was Mama or not, and I couldn't see the head. All I could see was the torso and back legs, and I know it's nature. It just makes me sad. And then I started calling Mama, brought her some carrots, and she came out, and I had such a, just what a relief. It's not Mama. So I don't know. And her little baby was out here with her, so I don't know which one that was. But Mama and her baby that I filmed the other day, they're fine. I don't know if the bobcat is staying in this area again, or she just roaming around. But it appears to be it was a bobcat that got it. But Mama's fine. She's okay. Mama, she's so smart. She's a little survivor. Hi, darling. I was so worried, honey. I was so worried about you. I know you're smart, though. I know it's survival of the fittest. You be careful, honey. You gotta be real careful. Mama Rabbit is like my little pet. Because as most of you know, I've been feeding her for almost a year and a half. Not quite. Like a year and 5 months or so. And the bunny that was killed, it looked smaller than her, but not a baby, so I don't know. Mama, you're so pretty, honey. But I just wanted to say Mama is just perfectly fine and healthy. And so is her little baby with the white spot on its head. It was out here a few minutes ago, but she heard something back there. Better not be a bobcat. I'm gonna run it off.